Hare Krishna. We are going to learn the third verse of the Gita Mahatmya. You've already learned the first two verses. In the second verse, some of you felt I went a little faster. So in this session, I'm going to go really slow so that you're able to get the verse properly. You know how we do it. We'll go word by word, line by line, 2 lines by 2 lines, and all the 4 lines together. Let's get started. Maline Mochanam Pumsam Maline Mochanam Pumsam Jala Snanam Dine Jalasnanam dine Sakrit Geetamrita Snanam Sakrit Geetamrita Snanam Samsara Mala Nashanam Samsara Mala Nashanam Maline Mochanam Pumsam Jalasnanam dine Sakrit Geetamrita Snanam Samsara Malanashanam Maline Mochanam Pumsam Jalasnanam dine Sakrit Geetamrita Snanam Samsara Malanashanam Maline Mochanam Pumsam Jalasnanam dine Sakrit Geetamrita Snanam Samsara Malanashanam मलिने मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीतामृतस्नानं संसारमलनाशनम्. मलिने मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीतामृतस्नानं संसारमलनाशनम्. Had fun? So that was fun, isn't it? Learning Sanskrit shlokas is a lot of fun, and at the same time, if you memorize it and then recite it in a very, very focused manner, then it can become meditative also. Just like this. Maline mochanam pumsam jalasnanam dine dine सकृद्गीतामृतस्नानं संसारमलनाशनम्. मलिने मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीतामृतस्नानं संसारमलनाशनम्. How meditative it is, isn't it? So, learning Sanskrit shlokas is a lot of fun. At the same time, you can also sit in one place and just recite these verses and go into an ecstatic trance. So that is the beauty of these Sanskrit verses. So let's take a look at the meaning of this verse. Maline, mala means dirt. Mochana means to get rid of. Pumsam is a person. So what do we do when there is dirt on our body? Jala snanam. Jala means water. Snana means to take bath. Dine dine. Every day we take bath to remove the dirt on our body. Now similarly, if we take bath, another bath, what is that bath? Geetamrita snanam. Bath with the nectar, amrita of the Bhagavad Gita. If we take bath daily with that, not just the dirt on our body will go away, but samsara mala, all the ill effects of this world will get destroyed. Nashanam. Isn't this amazing? So let's take a look at the meaning. One may cleanse himself daily by taking a bath in water. But if one takes a bath even once in the sacred Ganges water of Bhagavad Gita, for him the dirt of material life is altogether vanquished. This is the beauty of the Bhagavad Gita. So I hope you are inspired to read the Bhagavad Gita and also memorize these verses. I'll see you soon in the next session. Hare Krishna.